Assalamu alaikum and very good morning dear students. This is our 7th video lesson and first for chapter 4. Chapter 4 is number systems and today's topics are decimal system and binary system, base 2, 5, 8 and 10 numbers, conversion of decimal number into base 2, 5 and 8 numbers and vice versa. Dear students, please open your mathematics books, new countdown, book 8. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the decimal system or base 10 number system and binary system. Convert a decimal number to the binary number and vice versa. Convert base 10 numbers to base 5, base 8 numbers and vice versa. Number system. The decimal number system. The number system that we use is called decimal number system, and in this system, numbers are grouped in tens. That's why it is called the base 10 number system. We use digits from 0 to 9 in this system, and you know a lot about this system because in our daily life, in our mathematics studies, everywhere we use this number system. The binary system. There are number system to the base of other numbers also, such as binary, which is 2, 5, which is penta, and 8, octa. Most important of these is binary number system because it forms the language of computers. It is also used in mathematical games and tricks and in coding messages. Number systems. The place values of number system. In decimal number system, the place value of the digits are in base 10 and the place values are units, tens, hundreds and so on, and you know a lot about this. In binary system, the place value of digits are in powers of 2. In base 5 system, it is powers of 5, and in base 8 system, it is power of 8. Now the binary number readers. This is binary number reader. Here it is 2 power 0, which is equals to 1. And you know that any number which has power 0 is equals to 1. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32 and so on. And the place values are units, 2s, 4s, 8s, 16s and so on. Now the binary system. The binary numbers are expressed by 1s and 0s only. There are no other digit used. A number 26 expressed in binary system as 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 base 2. We read it as, we will not read it as 11,010. We will just read it 11010. Now conversion. Binary number into decimal number. We use binary number reader, which we have just seen in a previous slide, to find base 10 value of a binary number, and it is called expansion method. Examples are binary numbers given 1101 and 100111011. First we will do this. It has 4 digits, so 4 place values we need. So first is 1, then 2, then 4 and then 8. So we'll multiply 1 by 8, which is equals to 8. 1 by 4 is 4, 0 by 2 is 0 and 1 by 1 is 1. And when we add up, it is 13. So 1101 is equals to 13 in base 10 system or in decimal number system. And the number is 1001111 in binary number. So when we just find the place values, so it is 128 multiplied by 1 is 128, 0 by 64 is 0, then 0 by 32 is 0, 16 by 1 is 16, 8 by 1 is 8, 4 by 0 is 0, 2 by 1 is 2 and 1 by 1 is 1. When we will add up, it will be equals to 155. So it means in binary system 100111011 is equals to 155 in base 10 system. Now conversion of decimal number into binary number. For that we have to use division method. So convert 125 base 10 in binary number, so we have to divide it by 2. So 125 divided by 2 is 62 and 1 is remainder. Then 62 divided by 2 is 31 and 0 is remainder. 31 divided by 2 is 15 and 1 is remainder. 15 divided by 2 is 7 and 1 is remainder. 7 divided by 2 is 3 and 1 is remainder. Then 3 divided by 2 is 1 and 1 is remainder. We write all these remainders as binary number systems, like 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. It's written over here, and base 2. So 125 in base 10 system is equals to 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 in base 2 system. Now convert base 5 number to base 10 number or in decimal system. We use expansion method to convert a number in any other base to the base 10 or decimal system. As we learned earlier, only the place values will be different here in case of base 5 numbers. Example, convert 423 base 5 in base 10 system. So what we have to do, we'll write 423 base 5 and it is equals to 4 multiplied by 5 square, because this is 4 has third place value, so it has with square number. So because this is base 5, so this is 5 square. Then 2 has second place value, so it will be with 1 power, so it is 5 power 1. So 2 multiplied by 5 power 1. Then 3 multiplied by 5 power 0. Now 5 square is 25, so 4 multiplied by 25 is 100. 5 power 1 is 5, so 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and 5 power 0 is 1, so 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. And when we add it, it is 113 base 10. Now decimal number to base 5 number. Again we have to use division method, but we have to divide by 5 here. So convert 600 of base 10 system in base 5 number. So 600 divided by 5 is equals to 120 and the remainder is 0. 120 divided by 5 is 24 and the remainder is 0. Then 24 divided by 5 is 4 and 4 is the remainder. And we will write all these remainders for base 5 number system. So it means 600 in base 10 system is equals to 4400 or 4400 in base 5 system. Now conversion of base 8 number to the decimal number. The same thing, but the place values will be different. It is power of 8. Again we use expansion method to convert a number in any other base to the base 10 or decimal system. For example, you have to convert 382 of base 8 system in base 10 system. So we will write 3, 8 square, so it is 64, so 3 multiplied by 64, it is 192. Then 8 power 1 is 8 and this 8 is here, so 8 multiplied by 8 is 64. Now 8 power 0 is 1 and 2 is here, so 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. When we will add up, it is equals to 258. It means 382 in base 8 system is equals to 258 in base 10 system. Now decimal numbers to the base 8 numbers. Example, you have to convert 9000 of base 10 system in base 8 number. So you have to divide by 5 or 2? No, by 8, because this is base 8 number system. So when we divide 9000 by 8, we will get 1125 and remainder is 0. Then we will divide it by 8, so it will 140 and remainder is 5. When we divide 140 by 8, the answer is 17 and the remainder is 4. And when we divide 17 by 8, it is equals to 2 and remainder is 1. So all of these will make the base 8 number system. So 9000 of base 10 system is equals to 21450 in base 8 system. Now the summary of today's lesson. Decimal system or base 10 number system and binary system we learned today. We did conversion of decimal number to the binary number and vice versa. We did conversion of base 10 numbers to base 5 and base 8 numbers and vice versa. Now we will do written assignments, which are task 1 is question number 1, exercise 4, page 54 of new Countdown 8. Your task 2 is question number 2, exercise 4, page 54 of new countdown 8. Your task 3 is question number 3, exercise 4, page 54 of new countdown 8. Your task 4 is question number 4, exercise 4, page 54 of new countdown 8. And your last task is question number 1 to question number 3, MCQs 4, page 55 of new countdown 8. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Allah Hafiz and keep practicing.